Newest little project picked up, Sears Gamefisher. I think it's a 1977. It's a 12-foot. Needs to be cleaned up. It's pretty clean though. I don't think it was used very much. Wanted something light to put on top of the Jeep for the back roads, mountain lakes. It's gonna need some transom work. Which is no big deal. I already got the wood for that. Just gonna keep it simple and light. Clean it up. It's in pretty good shape. The first thing we'll do is we'll vacuum it out, and then probably rinse it out, let it fill up with a little bit of water, see if we got any obvious leaks. I don't think we will. Even has the original plug in it still. It's a lightweight boat with a pretty spindly transom. I don't know, I was thinking about building the transom way stronger, but we'll just replace it with what's here and what was back here. So this is just going to have a electric motor on it. If anything, I'll get, like a small little 6-horse outboard, 2-stroke or something, so it's not going to have anything ridiculous on there. Alright, well the inside still looks like shit, but we'll cross that road and get there second time. Good. Bottom of the boat looks good, besides being dirty. I don't see any damage or anything. This boat is a 1977. Let's go to town with some more of this stuff. Alright, a little scrubbing and it's starting to break up, so let's hit it with the hose. Alright, looking better already. We'll come back and hit it with the scrubber in the Comet. Let's just get the heavy stuff off. Alright, well, I might as well hit the worst spots, see what happens. This might be a little abrasive, but for the aluminum, might leave some marks in it. We'll see. I think it'll be alright. I don't want to go too crazy with it. Good enough for me. We're not going for a show job here. Got all the crap off of it. Put some lines in the aluminum, but I can't even feel them with my fingernail. That's a big improvement from that to this. Alright, just gotta hit the rest of the boat now. Alright, well, I won't bore you guys with the whole video of me scrubbing this thing, but I did the bottom part. See if I can get some, you can see how much better it is on camera here. Here's the part that's not done. Came out pretty good. We're not going for a polished finish, we're just trying to knock the barnacles off of it. See that? It's not done. It's done. And I think this is corrosion here. I'm gonna scrub it some more, but there'll be so much I'm gonna do about that. I think this thing was under a tree or some kind of plant that was a little acidic. All the leaves are probably piled up on it, but way better. We're not done yet. I'm gonna finish cleaning up the rest of this boat, and then the next video will be the transom. So check that video out too when it comes out shortly.